Splash Landings Waterpark, and we're filming! We're filming! Hello! Here we go! Oh! Straight up the buttocks! I don't know how I've come down backwards, but I am. I'm going the wrong way. This feels weird coming down backwards. Right, we'll go for your favourite then. So choose a song, Tropical Storm. Alright. Right, I think so. Right, see you on the other side. Here we go, Tropical Storm. I can't hear the music very much, but we got there. It was good that, I couldn't hear the music very much, but obviously you got the dark slide on the left and the light slide, what Jake's going down on the right. And yeah, it's just this exclusivity, look at this, there's no one here. This is much better, I can see where I'm going. Need a bit of a clean, these slides. Right, got a little kids area, straight down to the lazy river at the bottom. Hi Sean's vlog. Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. I can't get into the ring. I'd be terrible in prison. Right, because I've failed to get into the ring, I'm just probably easier. Oh God, that's nice. That's very violent. It's very violent. I need to clear up my lens now. Like a little assault course. And you got the giant bucket there that comes down now and again. Like that. Like that. Like that. That was up. It was good timing. You would have thought there'd be a slide at the top, wouldn't you? You would have thought so. Sean flying down the slide there. It's cool, this is. Look, they might be opening outside for 15 minutes. We'll see about that. That'll be nice, it's cool out there. Welcome to the Waterpark! You look like you're about to shoot a Call of Duty POV.
At least I'm not going down backwards this time.
Those springs.
Oh.
But yeah, that's lovely until you get back downstairs. Lovely and toasty.
It's a little bit nippy out here. It's a little bit.
Here we go.
But now it is.
Oh my God! This is the lift Alton Towers Resort.
It is. All 100 views of it.
Hey!
It's the slowest slide in the world. Look at that. 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 so slow. It was so slow.
It's going up, wasn't it?
Oh, it's pitch black in here.
Smile!
Yeah, same. I'll go down this one that time. Goodbye, son.
Bye, Dad.
This is a bit slow. Lovely weather. Lovely sunny weather now. See, looking around, what is missing? Bar. A swim up bar. Wristband system like Rulantica. Charge it to your wristband.
Come on, then we need a
nice
picture,
bar.
don't we?
Right, and with that, the kicking goes on. Right, there we go. There's our little experience at Splash Landings Waterpark. Thank you very much to the park for inviting us down, for having a little bit of a giggle this morning here at Alton Towers. And what is now a really glorious day on park. The sun is shining. That's a lovely little water park. It's great to see all the expansion, well, not expansion, the new additions that they're doing. Did you have a good time, mate, while you were running away? Did you have a good time?
Yeah,
it's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it was really cool.
It was really good.
Sorry, mate.
I love the little headband.
Oh my god, don't, mate. I look like an idiot.
I can't wait to see that footage.
No, I look like. Although it was facing upwards.
So it was happy sliding.
It was happy sliding.
Happy
all the way,
sliding.
mate. It was all good. Anyway, I'll let you continue. Happy sliding.
Happy sliding. What did you think, mate? Good?
Yeah, really enjoyed it. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Good. And with that said, thank you very much for letting us come down. Hello, son.
Hello, Dad.
Happy sliding.
Happy sliding.
What did you think?
What?
Hey, I thought,
Waterpark?
Yeah, of course.
Sorry. No, pretty good. I thought you were on about my crisp.
Pretty good. Oh, what are these? You knocked off Pringles?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Right, I'm going to end the vlog right there. I want a Pringle because Jake will finish those quick.
Yeah.
Hit the like button,
Hit the subscribe button,
and I'll see you in the next one.
Peace.